Hi everyone, we're back on the road again and going to another job. We just finished a job changing a pump head on a Worcester 24i RSF, and the conversation what I want to discuss is trainees who were out with a trainer learning about boiler repairs. I want to go over your awareness with the trainer, your awareness about what you're supposed to be doing, what you're supposed to be observing, so you're not missing nothing while you're going through the training process with the trainer. So I'm going to ask Isaac of the job what we just done and see what he picked up and what did he learn. So Isaac, we just done the jobs I just said. So what did you learn when we was doing that job?
Yeah, the main thing I learned is the more I do those kind of jobs, the better my confidence and the better I might believe. But pertaining to the tax, I was able to learn a different, because the pump was quite different from the ones we've worked on before, in the sense that the plug, the electrical plug, is not the one that you can just easily pull out. You have to like open up the pump section, the electrical section, unscrew it, and now start removing the live, the neutral, and the earth individually. So that's a different one. So that's a positive outcome of what I learned there. Then another thing I learned there was when I was draining off the boiler, there was like a bubble of air in the system, and if not for you like you said, that means we need to do the expansion vessel to recharge it, and there's a possibility that there's air in the
well, there's water.
There was what there was
trapped. Yeah, so there's water trapped in the expansion vessel.
All right, so if not for you, now I wouldn't have been able to like get that, but now I'm aware of it. And whenever I'm doing draining a boiler and I hear such sound, then I know that I need to like recharge the expansion vessel. And another thing is while I was trying to what's the word called now, to fill up the boiler.
Oh yeah,
yeah. When I was filling up,
yeah,
the pressure gauge didn't go up for a long time, and I froze. Or you took charge and you like just have to continue, and you did it all over again, and same thing happened while you were doing it, but you kept doing it, and I said, wow, assuming you were not there, I would have been stuck at that point. I'll be thinking, and you said we learn from experience, that now that I've seen it, I won't be able to, I shouldn't freeze the next time I say it. So those are the three major things that I've learned in the job.
Okay, all right. Now, I think you learnt more than that, because there was lots of things what we did, but obviously they went over your head, or you can't remember. Now, one of the things what I shown you was when we took the pump head off and we was about to put the pump head back and reconnect the wires, when you got hold of the pump, you was holding it in one hand and trying to put the wires in with the other. But I said to you, no, just wedge it on the side, then you can just keep the pump in position and you can put the wires in and use, so you've got the weight being held by the boiler, and you can actually just put it in easy without actually struggling. So that was one thing. The other thing, what I think you learned was the way to snap the T-bar. Yeah. You learnt that you need the right tool, extended one, which you did mention, but you're not mentioning it now. So that's another thing what you learn.
Okay.
You also learn about taking a panel off the way it's supposed to be taken off. Just that extra time of thinking what you need to do in order to do something.
Yeah.
So they're the main areas what you learn. So as I was saying about the awareness of the trainer, awareness of what you're supposed to be doing next. Oh, and there's one more thing what you didn't mention, which is very important. When I asked you about, well, when I went up on the top of the expansion vessel and I came back down, and then as I said, now it's for you to go back and do what you need to do. But we had a misinterpretation of what I was saying. And the reason for that is, again, you didn't quite catch what we was doing for some reason. But again, as I said, that's just lack of awareness or not reading the situation. So for you as a trainee, you must be 100% focused on what's being said, taking what's being said, and then record it through your notebook so you can get that in your head, and obviously watch the videos of anything what we've been done when we're training. So that's basically the awareness. That's what you need to be always on top of your game, and then you'll be fine.
Okay.
So that's going to be the end of this short video on awareness on your training while on the job. Just watch this video over again, just keep in mind what's been said, and we'll see you on the next video.